If you find yourself locked out of your Azure ML Studio account, follow these steps to regain access quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Azure portal. Go to the Azure portal website and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Ensure you are using the correct email associated with your Azure ML Studio account. Step 2. Navigate to Azure Active Directory. Once logged in, locate and select Azure Active Directory from the left-hand menu. This section manages user accounts and access permissions. Step 3. Check user status. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Unblock the account. Select your account from the user list. Look for the option to unblock the account. Click on it and confirm any prompts to complete the process. Step 5. Reset password if necessary. If unblocking does not resolve the issue, consider resetting your password. Go back to the user settings, select reset password, and follow the instructions to create a new password. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Azure ML Studio account again. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Azure support for further assistance.